How's it going, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I'm gonna hit you with the quick Cleanspark video. I just got off work, but I wanted to give you guys an update. I noticed no one really covered this news, at least not to my knowledge, so we're gonna go over it real quick. So Cleanspark just released their operations update, giving us the December monthly production of 226 Bitcoin mined, and then highlighted here, calendar year-to-date production ending December 31 was 1,528. Their current holdings right now of that is 633 and 909. So you put those two together and you have that. 909 was the total Bitcoin converted for operations and growth in 2021. Now this is where it gets a little juicy. They have a currently deployed fleet of over 18,800 Bitcoin miners with a total hash rate of 1.9. They expect to reach their 2 exahash milestone in the coming days. So just a couple days late. They said December, end of year. They said by end of year, they would have that 2 exahash. They are very close. So they're going right along as planned. I guess a little delay, but regardless. So as of the date of this release, daily Bitcoin production has reached a high of 9.5 Bitcoin per day. And of course, we had a pretty rough day on Cleanspark today, 3% down. Tried to recover a little bit after hours though. Look at that market cap, guys. $344 million market cap. I mean, come on. Let me pull up some math here real quick. Even if you got them right now at just 9 Bitcoin a day times a $40,000 Bitcoin, times that by 30 days, times 12 months, or a total of a year, you're looking at about $130 million. All right, so that's something to consider. That's just what they're at now. And that's not even talking the cash on hand, the fact that they have very little debt. As for their market cap, they almost have that much just in assets. You see that their debt is actually 1.4 million because this is in thousands, so 1.4 million. Liabilities, current liabilities of about 12 million. Not too bad considering their cash on hand. Currently at 18 million cash on hand. Okay, that's not amazing, but it's not bad. All right, and remember, guys, increasing revenue. I mean, look at that growth. Look at the growth continue. I'm going to hold through this. I mean, I'm not even worried at this price right now. I'd love to buy more. I'm very likely to buy tomorrow. I'm very broke right now. Unfortunately, you know, I always say have some cash on the side. It's hard to listen to my own advice sometimes, I'll admit. And wish I had a little bit more cash. The bills are kind of piling up. So if it wasn't for that, I would be buying Cleanspark very heavily. Now, admittedly, this is still a falling knife, so I'd likely be buying a falling knife here, but looking at the RSI, we are oversold. We're right on the edge of this trend downwards, and so this top support here, this top blue line, this was our previous support that we broke. Next support in line is about 750, and I'll zoom out for you guys. Right here, we had a support 750, just about a little under 750, and that was where our first resistance was here before we just started taking off. So that's where I expect this to potentially get to through next week, possibly. Just keep an eye on Cleanspark, guys. It is still bearish on the charts, though. It is still bearish. But if you're long-term minded like I am, this is definitely a golden opportunity, in my opinion, to add some more to your position. And if you don't currently have any, and if you're long-term minded, I'd be buying this. But that's basically it for you guys. Just a quick update on Cleanspark. I noticed no one really covered this, and just wanted to bring some news to you. But if you got some value out of this, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I do put out videos every single day, whether it's stock, crypto, or just something else. But thanks as always, guys, and I will see you next time.